Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the channel where we dive into the tech that defines your setup. Today, we're reviewing one of the most refined mechanical keyboards of the year, the Keychron K Pro, a 75% wireless custom keyboard that blends premium craftsmanship with enthusiast-grade functionality. Let's start with the build. This thing is a tank. The K Pro features a CNC machined full aluminum body, giving it that ultra-premium, rock-solid feel right out of the box. It's compact with a 75% layout, meaning you get all your essential keys, a function row, and arrows, but in a sleek, space-saving footprint. What sets the K Pro apart is its wireless performance. It supports Bluetooth 5.1 for multi-device connectivity and can pair with up to 3 devices. Plus, there's a wired USB-C mode when you need zero latency gaming or charging. Whether you're on Mac, Windows, or Linux, it just works. Inside, it's hot-swappable, meaning you can easily switch out the included Keychron K Pro Brown switches with any compatible MX-style switches, no soldering required. The Browns offer a perfect middle ground, tactile, quiet, and smooth, ideal for both typing and casual gaming. Customization lovers, this is your keyboard. It supports full QMK VIA programmability, so every key can be remapped or macroed exactly how you want it. The gasket-mounted design, PCB foam, and internal sound dampening give this board an incredibly soft, muted, and premium typing sound. The double-shot PBT keycaps are durable and grippy with a crisp feel. And the south-facing RGB lighting is fully customizable. Whether you want a low-key glow or a full-spectrum light show, it's yours to command. Battery life: you're looking at up to 300 hours with the RGB off, and recharging is quick and easy via USB-C. If you're a keyboard enthusiast, coder, writer, or someone who just appreciates a refined tool, the Keychron K Pro is one of the best wireless mechanical keyboards of 2025. It's built like a premium custom board, but available right off the shelf. Hit the link below to pick yours up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. At Gadgetverse, we're dropping 20 top-tier tech reviews every day. Let's go.